Chicken Little was walking in the woods.
Oh no, the sky is falling. I will go to tell the king.
So Chicken Little went to tell the king.
Along came Henny Penny.
The sky is falling.
Oh no! So Henny Penny and Chicken Little went to tell the king.
Along came Ducky Lucky.
The sky is falling.
Oh no!
So Ducky Lucky and Henny Penny and Chicken Little went to tell the king.
Along came Goosey Lucy.
Oh no! No, the sky is falling.
Oh no! So Goosey Lucy and Ducky Lucky and Henny Penny and Chicken Little went to tell the king.
Along came Foxy Locks.
The sky is falling. Oh, let's look up at the sky.
Richard.
So Goosey Lucy and Ducky Lucky and Henny Penny and Chicken Little looked up at the sky. They looked and looked.
Foxy Loxy looked at Goosey Lucy and Ducky Lucky and Henny Penny and Chicken Little.
Maybe the sky is not falling.
Oh! Wait,
The
no, sky is not falling.
So Chicken Little and Henny Penny and Ducky Lucky and Goosey Lucy looked at Foxy Loxy.
Run!
Run! Run! Run! They ran and ran. They ran all the way home.
And they never did tell the king that the sky was falling.